Good morning. It's Tuesday, 13th August 2024, and welcome to today's newspaper headlines. I'm Regina Bliss, and I'll be bringing you the latest updates. In today's edition of Daily Guide, Mahama's free level 100 policy shooks fire. The Ghanaian Times commits to anti-corruption issues. The Daily Graphic, Mahama launches NDC Youth Manifesto. Daily Searchlight, 150 million Ghana cedis missing at Gender Ministry. The Anchor, Ghana needs bold solutions and ideas.